Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss 5 pink-colored fragrant David Austin roses.
Number 1. The Generous Gardner.
A climbing rose known for its award-winning fragrance. It has a strong old rose scent combined with musk and myrrh. The pale pink-colored large flowers continue to repeat bloom all season long. The Generous Gardner is hardy in USDA zones 4 through 11 and thrives in full sunlight to partial sunlight conditions. You will be mesmerized by its nodding, graceful habit over an arbor or pergola.
Number 2. Gertrude Jekyll.
A vigorous shrub rose amongst the first to flower. It has a strong, intoxicating old rose fragrance, with large, bright pink rosette-shaped flowers that continue to bloom throughout the summer. Gertrude Jekyll is hardy in USDA zones 4 through 11, and it's suitable for full sunlight to partial sunlight conditions.
Number 3. Scepter'd Isle.
A shrub rose bearing numerous light pink cupped flowers with pale outer petals that will delight you with its powerful myrrh fragrance. It offers continuous blooms throughout the season. Scepter'd Isle is hardy in USDA zones 5 through 11, and it's suitable for full sunlight to partial sunlight conditions.
Number 4. Princess Alexandra of Kent. Named after Princess Alexandra, a keen gardener, it boasts fully petaled and deeply cupped flowers. The enchanting fragrance starts off with a strong, delicious tea scent that evolves to notes of lemon and eventually blackcurrant. It is a continuous bloomer and hardy in USDA zones 4 through 11. It tolerates full sunlight to partial sunlight conditions. Number 5. Harlow Carr. Harlow Carr is known for its perfect formation flowers that are shallow cupped. It has a captivating strong old rose scent, with medium-sized hot pink fully petaled flowers. It too will gratify you with continuous blooms throughout the season, and it is hardy in USDA zones 4 through 11 that receive full sunlight conditions. I would love to hear from you on what your top fragrant pink roses are, and why. See you in the next video. Have a lovely day and goodbye for now.